Welcome to AEC Project Accelerator, a new Agile approach to web and mobile app development. I'm Scott Ritter, CEO and co-founder. Over the last several years, web and mobile app development has increased immensely. As new technologies have emerged, it almost seems that everyone in our industry is either developing an app or managing app development. Increased growth leads to increased issues, however, as development teams have transitioned to a more agile distributed model where communication and Scrum tools play a more vital part in keeping projects on track throughout the development lifecycle. Last year, a company came to me for help. They were based in New York City and had spent a little over $100,000 developing a native iOS app which was only 80% complete. To compound the issue, their remote freelance developer had left to join a startup. I reviewed the project, spoke with the developer, and came to the unfortunate conclusion that the extreme time and budget overrun was primarily the result of poor project management on the client's side. Sure, some of the cost overrun was scope creep, but a vast majority of it was just not managing the developer's time efficiently or even having an effective project management plan in place to begin with. In 2 weeks, I was able to source, vet, and engage a top iOS developer to complete their project, as well as completely train the client on how to more effectively manage it using an Agile model. I helped them set up Trello and moved their codebase over to GitHub. We went through the remaining requirements and created a project scope that the new developer was able to divide into manageable weekly stints that the client could easily keep track of on Trello. I used their calendar to schedule 2 required team stand-ups at the beginning and end of each week and set up Zoom and Slack for meetings and daily communication. Finally, at the end of 2 weeks, I was able to hand the project back over to the client and it was finished completely just 4 weeks later. After that experience, it occurred to me that there's a real need for this type of short, agile project service, which provides clients with cutting-edge developers, tools, training and support, enabling them to better manage and ramp up their own projects in the most time-efficient and cost-effective way possible. Thank you for your interest in AEC Project Accelerator. I look forward to connecting with you and discussing your next project.